how to log in on MetaTrader 5 account. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So to be able to log in, you're going to visit MetaTrader over here and you're going to look over here on the top left section and you should be able to see here a menu button. So if you click this, you should be able to see this pop up and it has a trading account option available here. Now over here, click on connect to account and there should be a pop-up over here that would require you to enter your login information. So simply enter your information there and click connect to account, and it's very simple. It's very straightforward, as you can see. Aside from that, similarly on your mobile devices, you have MetaTrader's app there as well. And the process is going to be same as there. Actually, when you first create or log into your or open your app, it will actually ask you to log into your account. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.